Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. Welcome to our series on Linux commands. When you're playing with Linux, ls command is one of the most frequently used command in Linux. It can also turn out to be the first command that you would be using in Linux. Ls command is frequently used by everyone on day-to-day basis, and yet we are not aware of, or we never use all the options that ls command comes with. So today we would be seeing that how we can use the ls command and what are the different options that we can specify with it. Basically, ls is a Linux shell command that lists directory contents of files and directory. So to start with, let us see the syntax. So the syntax of ls command is, so if you, the syntax would be something like this: ls, then we will be specifying the different options with it and the directory or the file name. So directory or file name is not mandatory, but we can specify the different options. So this is the basic syntax of ls command. And now let us begin and let us see various different ls command. So for that we will be just connecting to a Ubuntu machine. So using putty. So we have created a Ubuntu machine using the AWS EC2 instance. This is an instance and we would be connecting it. So we'll provide the PPK file in here. I hope you are knowing this, that how to connect to a EC2 Ubuntu instance. And now the default name for, yeah, so we have connected to the Ubuntu instance. So let's clear this out first. And let us begin with the different ls command that so first of all, the basic ls command is just ls. So ls with no option will list files and directory in bare format, where we won't be able to view details like file types, size, modified date and time, permissions and links, etc. Then you can also list down ls command with the particular folder names. So just take any folder and type in here, and it will show the files that are present in that folder. So it will all list all the files in the particular folder if you specify the folder name with ls command. The next command is ls hyphen. So this will list down all the content of our root directory. So by default we are in the home directory, and we will get to know the home directory by typing in pwd. So if you type in here, so we'll get the home directory. So now again, if we try ls and tilde symbol, so it will also list down the same command, list all the content of the home directory. So it is similar to ls command. Now we can also do one thing: we can copy this present working directory and we can use it with ls command. So again the result would be same, and we would be seeing the all the contents of the home directory. Then if you want to go back one step and print all the structure, so just type in ls dot dot, so you will be redirected to the previous folder. And if you want to go 2 folders back, then just put in ls dash dash then slash dash dash, so it will take you to the root. Now uh, just clear this out, and if you type in as ls dash dash version, let's check the output. It will show the version of the ls command that is being used. Then there is a command called as ls-l. So when you'll use this will show files or directory, the size, modified date and time, or file and folder, and owner of its with its permission. So this can be used to see this. Then again, there is one more option that you can specify with ls, that is -a. It will list all the files, including hidden files starting with dot. So as you can see, the hidden files starting with dot are also listed in here. Then comes the ls-la command. So it will list down all the files, including the hidden file in the current directory with their detailed information. Then again, you can use the ls dash capital F command. So Using capital F option with ls command will add the slash character at the end of each directory. So if you notice at the end of each directory, so the directory are seen here in blue, and you can see a slash is being put at the end of each directory, and it is not put at the end of each file. So the white resembles the file while the blue will resemble the directory. So let's clear this out. Then there is one more option, that is ls-r. So this command will display files and directory in the reverse order. So if you can see, B goes here at the back and the readme, so it will start in the reverse order. Then comes the ls-capital R. So this option will list very long listing directory trees. So if you want to see the long listing directory trees, use the ls-r command. Now clear this out for some time. And there is one more command, that is ls-ltr. So if you type this command will list all the files sorted by the date and time with the oldest file first. So if you can see, the oldest file is being shown as the first file. Then command comes the ls dash I capital S capital. Sorry, so L and S capital. So this command will display the file size in order and will display the first big file. So the file which is, if you can see in here, the file size which is shown for the first file, it is the biggest, and that's why it is listed the first. And so the file which has the lowest number of what you call the size, it is being listed at the bottom. Then if you want to, so there is one command as ls-i. So this command will list the file directory with the inode number. So if you can see, there is a inode number that is being allocated to each file and directory, and it is being displayed in here. Then there is a command ls-m. So this command will list the files and the directory separated by a comma. So all the files and the directory will be listed, and it will be separated with a comma. So these are the few options that you can use with ls command. For complete list of options that can be used with the ls command, just type in ls help. So this command will list help page of ls command with their options, and you can check in each and every option that you can use with the ls command from here, and you can use it in your ls command. With this, we come to an end of this video in the series, which was on how to use ls command in Linux. In the next lecture, we will check few things about the other Linux commands. Also, do post your questions, queries, or any suggestions that you feel in the comment section regarding this video. So see you soon with more Linux related content. Till then, have a great time. Thank you.